Today we will learn how to add an extension to Chrome so that the reading for the slide presentations this week can be read to you. So what you'd like to do first from the Zach Elementary homepage is you want to go to the rainbow grid here and click on it. Then click on the web store right here. Next, type in read and write and hit enter. Then you'll see a purple rectangle and you want to add to Chrome. Add again to Chrome, and it asks you a third time, add the extension, and you're going to click it, yes. And you should see that it comes up in your toolbar up here. Then you can just X out of that for now. And you'll want to then go into your Google Classroom. And into your third grade Google Classroom, into the classwork up here at the top. And then if you scroll down to one of your Writing Fairy Tales assignments, you'll click it and then click down at the bottom, and it opens up the slideshow. Then I can read this first slide. It doesn't have too many words, but this second slide seems to have a lot of words. So if this tab hasn't already come down, you may need to click up here and it'll go away, and then it should come back, and then you want it to drop down. And then what you want to do is you want to pick the dotted square. You want to click on it. It's a screenshot reader, and then you're going to highlight just the selection of words, and what you'll see is there's like rainbow happening down here. It's turning purple and green and orange, and that's the computer reading all the words in there. And in a little while, and so it's reading right now. You may not be able to hear it, but it is reading. You can see the purple highlight is going across the screen. And so when it stops in just a moment, and it's not going to be perfect necessarily, but it will help read some of the words to you. And so after it's done reading that, you just want to exit because you've already heard it and move to the next slide. If I move to the next slide, then what I'll need to do is click up here again at my screenshot reader and click inside just where the words are. Let's see how it does for this one. I see the rainbow down here, so I know it's. And I know you can't hear that very well, but you probably saw the purple highlighter going across the words. And when you do this yourself on your computer, you will hear it very well. So you can do that for each one of these squares. And then again, for each of these squares, you'll use the dotted square to highlight each of these word sections so it can be read to you. And then especially this slide again. Oops, I need to exit out. So give that a try. See if that helps read some of these slides that have a lot of words. Good luck, third graders.